Assalamu alaikum students, I hope you all are fine. Today we will revise chapter number 3, that is CPU. Dear students, CPU stands for Central Processing Unit. Dear students, have you seen the black box attached to your computer? That black box is known as CPU. That is Central Processing Unit. CPU is called the brain of the computer. Dear students, our brain control all the different parts of the body and makes them work together. For example, if we learn a new thing, it gets assorted in a memory. We keep storing information in our memory or part of the brain. Whatever information is needed, we recall that information and act accordingly. Similarly, the CPU controls all the other parts of the computer and makes them work together. Dear students, all the parts of the computer are connected to the CPU through wires or cables. That actual processing is done within this unit only. Dear students, CPU is also known as system unit. It receives data from the keyboard, process it, and send the information to the monitor. A CPU has its own memory to store information. Dear students, CPU has two types of casing. One is vertical, and vertical CPU seems like this, and the other one is horizontal, and horizontal CPU seems like this. Let's read from the book. CPU. Central Processing Unit is commonly known as CPU. This is the short form of CPU, Central Processing Unit. It is the brain of the computer. It processes work upon the data given by the input devices. Dear students, CPU receives data from the keyboard and process it and send the output to the monitor. A CPU has its own memory to store information. CPU is also known as system unit. System unit. Input devices and output devices are the peripheral attached to it. It is present in a casing. CPU casing is in two forms. One is vertical and the second is horizontal. The vertical CPU seems like this and the horizontal CPU seems like this. Parts of CPU. There are three parts of CPU: CU, ALU and MU. Dear students, we will discuss all three parts of CPU in the upcoming lecture. So today we will revise CPU and parts of CPU. Okay students, take care of yourself. Allah Hafiz.